Hello friends, in this video we learn about denaturation of protein. Protein denaturation leads to unfolding and loss of protein's secondary and tertiary structure. Denaturation does not mean hydrolysis of peptide bonds or loss of primary structure. Common denaturing agents which causes denaturation include heat, organic solvent, strong acid or bases, detergents, and ions of heavy metals such as lead and mercury. Denaturation under controlled condition can be reversible, in which case the protein refolds into original native structure when the denaturants are removed. Most proteins, once denatured, remain permanently disordered. Denatured proteins are often insoluble and therefore precipitate from solution. Most proteins can be denatured by heat, which affect the weak interaction in protein in a complex manner. If the temperature is increased slowly, a protein's conformation generally remains intact until an abrupt loss of structure occurs over narrow temperature range. Loss of structure in one part of the protein destabilizes other parts. Proteins can be denatured not only by heat but by extremes of pH, by certain miscible organic solvents such as alcohol or acetone, by certain solutes like urea and guanidine hydrochloride, or by detergents. Each of these denaturing agents represent relatively mild treatment in the sense that no covalent bonds in the polypeptide chain are broken. Organic solvents, urea and detergents act primarily by disrupting hydrophobic interaction that make up the stable core of globular proteins. Extreme of pH alter net charge on the protein, causing electrostatic repulsion and the disruption of some hydrogen bonding. The denatured state obtained with these various treatments need not be equivalent. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks a lot.